Hi, my name's Craig. I'm president of the company. I give SignUpGenius 5 out of 5 stars. And for more reviews like this, click below. Previously, we were really using a manual process. We would use an old-fashioned list server to notify people of events. And it just really didn't work. It was difficult to manage and difficult to maintain. SignUpGenius actually fixed a lot of the issues that we were having. It allowed us, from a very fine granular standpoint, to set up events as well as how we manage the users, even down to the point the number of users or the number of people that could participate in an event. But more importantly, it allowed us to go from year to year and really just copy and paste last year's event to this year's event, and then we could clear the roster out and everyone could sign up for the event brand new without us having to recreate everything. SignUpGenius took a little while to set up. I mean, the first time that we set an event up, it took quite a while. And that's okay because we knew that we added a lot of controls to each event. But when we go from year to year, setting up year two it literally took 5 minutes for all of our events. I think the primary thing you need to understand or need to consider is that if you have an event that has a lot of tasks associated to that event and where you're going to be having a lot of people participate in the individual tasks, SignUpGenius is absolutely great. It will make your life easier managing those events.